Yeah, hi folks. I trust you are doing great. It's good to have you back. Yeah, this is a continuation, or should I call it the part two of building a website like a pro using Elementor premium kits. Okay, so in the first part, in which I showed how we're able to use a free template kit. The link is in the description below. So that we're able to build our websites, however, without header and footer. So in this, in that case, we only use the Elementor free version. Here we are having in our plugins, we have the pro version included, Elementor pro version, as you have it here. So that is what we're going to be using. So like I said, we are bringing in an Elementor template kit. So we go to so the template kits, the premium template kit enables us to build a professional looking website with header and footer. So let's dive in and see how this plays out to show how easy it is for us to use a template kit to build our website. Yeah, just like the previous video, I've already created 3 pages that we're going to be using for this demonstration, and then we're going to be bringing in the template kits. We install it, and once it is installed, then we bring them in one after the other. We're going to bring in the header and footer, and then we'll create the menu. I think that will be all to it, and you have a full-fledged professional looking website. Okay, let's start. So we go to elements, and we go to elements. That's what I'm pointing to here. We go to install kits. So here we click on install, upload. So I already have a template kit, a premium template kit. Don't worry, I'm going to leave this in the link to download this in the description. So you can download and also use to practice. The good thing about this premium template is that you can always use it for as many other template or many design that you want to do for yourself or for your clients. So just about changing the contents, moving things around, and then you get a very good looking website. Okay, so when you install your kit, you're going to see here install requirements. I've already done that just to not to waste time. So there is an outstanding widget which was missing, saying that a widget for Elementor. That's really not a showstopper. We can leave it. But anytime you bring in your template kit, you come here and install all the requirements. So here, after that's been done, we're going to bring in all the templates one after the other, simply by clicking on import templates, imports. So we just be on the lookout, so not to waste time. We just go out for those ones that we're going to be using. We're going to be using the home page. We're going to be using the about. Yeah, then we're going to be using the contacts here, and then the global templates, we need to bring it in. So by default, we are meant to bring in all the templates one by one, but just to save time, so here we're going to be making use of the header. We bring it in, and we also look out for the footer. Where is it? Let's look for the footer. The footer is somewhere there. Okay, here is it, already imported. That's nice. So we wait for the home page is about to finish, the about is about to finish. So once they are successfully imported, we go to the page one after the other, and then we start bringing them in. It's as simple as that, just like we did in the previous video. Like I said, if you are just watching this, the link to the first video is in the description. You can check below and you will see there. And like I said, I'm also going to leave the link to this premium template kit that you can also use and practice. Okay, so you can see we are doing everything on our localhost, where we want to play around and test and see how things work. So you can also check my video on this If you don't know how this is done, I have a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how this is done, how to set up your WordPress on localhost. So let's move on from here. So we go to here, we finish importing what we need, and then we go to pages. So on the pages, we start with the home page. We click on edit. So just like we did in the previous video, edit with Elementor. So we're going to be a bit fast about it. So we click on the folder, then click on my templates. So these are the few pages that we imported, remember. So we go for the home. So we click on insert, yes. If you watch the previous version, previous video, which I could say is part 1, you can easily flow with this. This has been dealt with extensively in the previous video, just like a repetition of what we did. So we are bringing in the home page, so waiting for it to load. So here it is. So we have it. You can see our home page is taking a new shape and dimension. Okay, so the next thing is we want to quickly bring in the header and footer to make this a complete web page. Okay, so for ease of navigation and everything, so we go to the 3 lines here, we click on it, and then we go to our theme builder. The theme builder is used to bring in the header and footer. So we click on header. So on the header, we click on add new. Waiting for it to load. Okay, so we go to my templates. So we locate our header. Here is it, header. Insert, yes. So this is the header. So we publish. So it will ask you that what is the condition. Do you want to? So when you click on the add condition, when you click on this drop down, you can see that is this header going to be for this page alone or for the entire site. For the purpose of this demonstration, we are using the entire site. So we select the entire site and then we say save. So that's done. So we go back again to the same process. Click theme builder. We are bringing in the footer this time around. We hit footer, add new. So my templates. So we locate the footer, insert, yes. Okay. So we publish, add condition, entire site, save, and close. Okay, so we've been able to bring in the header and footer successfully. So let's go back to the home page. We exit to dashboard, pages. Okay, edit with Elementor. Going back to the home page. Okay, we have it here. So, but we can see that the header and footer are still missing. So what we'll do is we go to our settings and check the page layout. Settings, page layout is on Elementor canvas, so we make it Elementor full width. So when we select that, we should be able to see the header and footer. Just a moment, just come up. Okay, so we now have it. We have the header up here, and then we have the footer. That's nice. So we update. Remember to always update your work. Okay, so we go to the next page, which is we exit to dashboard. It's looking good. Okay. Okay, before going to the next page, we can also view the page that we have done. Click on view, so you can see this is what the home page is now looking like now. Yeah, at a very minimal effort, we've been able to pull up a very lovely website at the click of the button. Very less stressful. We'll go out. So let's go to the next one. Let's go for about us, edit with Elementor. So we click the button, the folder button once it loads up. Yeah. So my templates. So we look out for about, which is the first one. Insert, yes. Now this is looking good. So you can deliver a professional looking website to your clients under a few clicks once you have the right templates or the premium template kit that you want to work with. So here we have it. So this is the about us. Remember what we did the other time? We have to go to the settings, the layouts, and make sure it is full width, so that the header and footer can show up. We've already under the add condition that we want the header and footer to appear on all pages. So we're done with this. Okay. So if you want to view it, just click here, right click, view page, so that we can see what we have done quickly. So this is the about page. You're looking nice. Okay, we're done here. So let's go to the next one. We exit back to the dashboard. Okay, and let's pick the last page we are using for our demonstration, which is contact page. Edit. That's good. Edit with Elementor. Okay, we click on the folder, my templates. So we look for the contact, that's the second guy there. We insert, yes. Okay, getting to the end. Okay, that's good. So let's dash to the setting. Good. Okay, so we have the header and footer as well. That's great. Okay, let's update. So to finish our work, we quickly go and bring in the menu so that we'll be able to navigate through the 3 pages when we are going through, or when we are viewing our website. Okay, on the localhost. So we exit to dashboard, and then we go to, okay, so we go to appearance. Under the appearance, we go to menus. So we have 3 pages which we want, I'll be using for. So here we have it. So this appear to be here because I think I previously worked on this. So let's assume this is how you are going to meet it. So we are deleting, yes, we're deleting so that I can show you how this is done. Okay, so I've deleted the menu. So I'm creating a new menu. So I call it, let's say, menu 1. Okay, so I'll create. So this is the menu 1 I've created, and these are the 3 the pages that we have. We select all, then we say add to menu, and don't forget to select here, click primary menu. So you can see they are staggered. We just drag to rearrange home page, home first, followed by about us, then lastly contact us. Okay, that is it. So we'll save it. Okay, let's hit save again just to be double sure that it has been saved properly. So we go back to the pages. Okay, so let's see what is on the home page now. So we should be able to see the menu displayed. Sorry, it's loading. Hold on for it. Yeah, we have the menu now displayed. Okay, so this is all to it. So if we go out, so if I want to view my site, localhost premium test, sorry, premium tests. So okay, sorry about that. Okay, so I didn't set, so it's the issue is simple. We go back to the dashboard, so that's to set the page, go to settings, so go to reading, then your so my home page, I'll click on a static page, so I'll click here, then home page, so you can see I'll pick home. That will be my home page. That is anytime I try to access the website. So localhost / premium test. So we have it now, so you can see this is my home page. Okay, looking good. So you can see I can go to about us. Okay, that's nice. Then I can go to contact us. Okay, so back to home page. So you can see we've been able to put up a professional looking website in like a few minutes. We've not been able to do any formatting, just like maybe you want to move your menu to the center or middle of that, want it to come to the middle or to the right. Just the scope of this video is just to show us how we can build a professional looking website even as a complete newbie using Elementor premium kits. I hope this that is also it, folks. I hope this has been able to impact you in one way or the other, and you've been able to learn one or two things. I want to please appeal that you subscribe and you give it a likes and comment if possible on how to improve on this. Thank you so much for your time. All the best. Wish you all the best in your endeavors. Thank you. Cheers. Love you. Please subscribe. Please like. Please share. Have a nice day.